I'm with SKL Solutions. My name is Stephen Miksis, and we're out here on Center and Sycamore in San Anselmo on a sinkhole. So the reason we're out here is because San Anselmo had a sinkhole right here, and basically the corrugated metal pipe, the 18-inch underneath the bridge, was rotted out, and all the soil and material were coming from the backside of the pipe and created a big void right here. So the Public Works Director, Sean, called me up. Him and I have a great working relationship when I was at Ross Valley, and asked me to come take a look at it. And I said, you know, I think my uncle can do this. And my uncle has obviously Miksis Services Incorporated. He came, checked it out, and what could have been a several-week closure turned into a couple-day closure. So right now we're going to pull a fold-and-form pipe through. They're pulling the cable, and we're going to drag off from the steam truck and the rolls over there and pull it over, and we're going to inflate it and create a brand new pipe inside the hose pipe. And it just saves a lot of money. What we're doing now is installing a fold and form. It's a thermoplastic, and it's an 18-inch line, and there's a drain inlet right behind this, and we're gonna drag the pipe all the way to the outfall to San Anselmo Creek. Yep. So what he's doing down there is putting on the pulley so he can come around. So the winch truck's right over there, and we're gonna pull this way and straight into that pipe right there. So this is a way of actually inserting a pipe without digging up the entire street. And it's a pretty cool process. What you do is you steam it and you make it all pliable, and it's in a fold and form way, and then you pull it through, and then you insert two pigs and you increase pressure within it, and all of a sudden the pipe starts expanding. And it's a pretty trick. Turn the H into a circle and have a great day. And now what they're doing is they're tenting pipe, and what you have on the behind you is the boiler truck, and it produces a bunch of steam, and you're going to steam the pipe for anywhere for an hour or so and get it all pliable, and then they're going to bring it in and drag it right through the 18-inch all the way down to the creek. After you're done, this is where you basically put on a valve unit and you start increasing the pressure, and that's what opens up the pipe, and that's why they call it fold and form. It forms into place.
What we're doing here in this process is pre-drilling the pipe, put the pull chain through it for a pipe this length, about 250 feet. We do 4 pull holes, weave the chain back in and out and through. That way when it pulls together, it pulls the pipe nice and tight together, leaves it so it doesn't leave any brunt edges on it.
What we have here is an RST camera. It's a mainline tractor camera. It's being run off the CCV truck behind the boiler truck. They're going to run this to inspect the pipe, make sure there's no other debris, and it's ready to line. And then when they get to the outfall, they're going to hook up the winch cable and drag it back so they can pull the pipe out. They're going to take the tarp off, they're going to open it up, and they got the cable coming through, and they're going to start pulling the pipe all the way to the outfall in Corte Madera Creek. So they have radio control, and they're talking back and forth, and he has to make sure it guides into the pipe correctly. So they're going to pull out enough pipe so they can put in the inflatable the pig, and they can blow it into place. They'll put a concrete stake in there so the pig doesn't go shoot across the creek, and then we'll start steaming it again and start inflating it. And we'll get everything prepped, ready to go. And then we'll blow it into place, and we'll do a final inspection. And then basically got a brand new pipe. All good. Again, we're over on Sycamore and Center in beautiful San Anselmo. And I'm with SKL Solutions. Drove out here, did a quick scope, and was able to contact my uncle, Gary Miksis, with Miksis Services Incorporated. And we were able to patch this up and get it all ready to go, which could have been a several-week shutdown. It was all buttoned up in a couple days. So awesome job to everyone, and just want to say thank you to Town San Anselmo.